In this YouTube video, I'll show you how to get a custom ROM on your Google Pixel. Right here is Lineage OS, but this can work on the stock firmware. Without further ado, let's begin. What you will need is your phone, aka your Google Pixel, a USB cable that'll accept data transfers, and your laptop. And you also need the Android debug bridge. I'll leave a link in the description for you to download that. And without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you should do is check if your phone is carrier locked. To do this, head into settings, go to About Phone, scroll all the way down, tap your build number multiple times until you see you are now a developer. Go to System, back in your settings menu, scroll down, tap developer options, and make sure OEM unlocking is not grayed out. Mine is grayed out because I already enabled it, but I will show you how to enable it. So without further ado, let's begin. Also make sure you have USB debugging enabled on your phone, therefore we can flash the custom ROM on your phone. So on your computer, you will need to go get your custom ROM downloaded specifically for your phone. Right here I have Lineage OS, so I can tap Get Lineage OS if you want to do this for Lineage OS. Tap your phone, so mine's a Google Pixel 6a, so I'll tap Google, I'll go all the way to 6a, and I'll tap Get the builds here. And then right here on latest, you should see all of these files. Make sure to download all of them, maybe about 2, 3, 4 gigabytes. And then you want to head over to your ADB folder and transfer all your custom ROM files to there. After that, we can head over to the command prompt. You're going to want to redirect your terminal to your platform tools or your ADB. So here I'll type cd space tilde / desktop / platform - tools. Now we're here. So whenever you type /adb devices, sorry, I typed that wrong. You'll get a pop-up on your phone asking you to enable USB debugging. Tap Always Allow from this computer and tap Allow. So once we're here, we're all set to start flashing the custom ROM. Type /adb reboot bootloader, and your phone will reboot to the bootloader. So we're here. So you can see in my device status, it says unlocked. What that means is I unlocked my bootloader before filming this video, but I'll show you how to do that right now. So back in your computer, type /fastboot OEM unlock, and you'll see it's an invalid command because I already did that, but it will say waiting for device or something along those lines. You'll get a pop-up on your phone asking you to enable OEM unlocking. Use your volume buttons to navigate to allow and press the power button. And once you do that, your phone might reboot and give you a little warning, but just ignore that warning and it should boot right up. So after that, you're going to want to go over to back in your command prompt or your terminal. You're going to want to make sure that you're tapping the right commands for your files. So right here I have my platform tools, and I have my vendor boot, my DTBO, my super empty, and my VB meta images. So here we're going to type /fastboot flash, and we'll start the first one, vendor boot. So we're just going to type vendor_boot, and then space, and then you're going to type that again, and then .img. Press enter, it'll say sending. It may take a little while depending on what phone you have. Then it should be done. Do the same with boot, same with DTBO. Now go to super empty. And you may get a warning right here saying about this, but you can just ignore the warning and carry on with the next image. I have VB meta, so I'll do that right now. And now we're done with that. So now we can type /fastboot reboot recovery. Now your phone will reboot. Now you're here. Just give it a little moment. So now we're in here. It may look a little bit different, but go to apply update from ADB, and you should be here. So now, see something like this. So what we're gonna do is head back to the computer again, and we will now we'll now find our operating system, our custom ROM zip file. So mine is lineage.zip, but yours might be something like, so yours might be something like that, but mine, I renamed mine to lineage.zip. So I'll go here, /adb, sideload, lineage.zip. So your sideload may stop at 47%, or that's just specifically for my certain phone, but you'll get this pop up like a minute or two after you see that, and you'll see this. Press yes. You will get this warning, just ignore it. So once you get here, you're gonna go to factory set. You're gonna tap format data, factory set, and format data. So now that you're here, we're gonna go back one more time. We're gonna tap apply update and apply from ADB. So this part is for Google Apps, or in other words, gaps. So open here, and we'll see our gaps, which is what it's called. Although it may be a completely different name, but I shortened mine to gaps.zip. And I'll type /adb sideload gaps.zip. And this will be relatively faster. So yours may also stop at 47% again, or as it said earlier, could be my phone. But you'll get this, signature verification failed, install anyway. You're gonna do yes. After that, you can just reboot and you can unplug. So every single time you'll get this warning. So now we're here. One of these parts will show my Wi-Fi, which I'll skip. But start, and we'll get this screen because we got Google Apps on here. So if you want to transfer your data, you can, but I'm just gonna skip. We'll just skip this. And also skip Google account. I'll drop this because I don't want Google spying on me. Skip that. I don't have a restore, so I'll skip that. And we're all set. And that is how you install a custom ROM on your Google Pixel. If you did enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.